Well, I was planning to go for a boot this afternoon, or you just got home, it's Friday night. Checked the radar when I got home, and all looks fine. Looks like I'm all clear, and I look out my window over here, and there's clouds rolling in. They're looking kind of dark, so maybe not the drive I was expecting to go do. I know the weather's not going to cooperate tomorrow. Anyway, we'll see. Play by ear. I want to go video the car, because after all the Carlisle stuff was done, I realized while at Carlisle, I never shot anything of that one. Figures. Anyways, I had to cram it all in. A lot more activity than I thought there was going to be. It's all good. Anyways, we'll try to get some footage this weekend of this. We're going to go scope out a local car show. See if anybody's there. Usually if you go this late, you aren't going to get a spot. So I may be just going for a drive and get some dinner somewhere else. We'll see how it goes. As I suspected, they are full. This next clip, we had after a unsuccessful car show, which I knew was going to happen anyways. I was too late around here. There's a lot of car guys around here. And we're in the Tri-Cities area sort of thing where there's 500,000 people and there's a car show every night, but there's lots of guys with cars. So anyways, it didn't work out and I kind of thought I just came back. Anyways, and then I did get out on the weekend, and this next clip coming out was just Blake and I had one clip of nice weather in the morning. We thought, let's throw the cameras. I wanted to test the new mics and see what the car sounded like in the new mics. And I also wanted to see some frame rate differences. I want to play around with the new GoPro and the frame rates when I was doing the slow-mo stuff. It's kind of, I was see if I changed the frame rate, it was a little smoother and all that stuff. So that's all I was playing around with, but I thought I'd throw it together here in this next clip. And also, I'll probably use some of Moog's music. So I don't know if you guys know Mighty Car Mods. If you're my age, you probably don't, but they're all over YouTube. So Blake, of course, got me into Mighty Car Mods. We're working on his car. He's got it on up here in the garage and all that stuff. So I've kind of slowly picked up on it and got to liking the humor of the Australian humor of these two. So I don't get a chance to watch them. It's pretty cool stuff. It's, you want to see what the next generation's doing, that's basically what they're doing. And it's kind of the next generation of motor trend, maybe. I don't know, but it's a neat thing they've got going there, and the humor is really funny. And they got another channel, which is the Unicorn Circuit. We actually made a submission for Mytown, and it was in, believe it or not. So I'll put a link in the description down below. Check it out. It's really cool. I think we're at the 36-minute mark, and if you get a chance, check out the fainting. That's my favorite part of Unicorn Circuit. Yeah, the whole thing's kind of corny, but it's kind of funny. You get the humor after a while. It's fun to watch and all that stuff. But anyways, if you get a chance, watch that. Fainting's a 26-minute mark, I think, of the video. And so check that out. I always get a laugh out of that every week, so it's just one of those things. I'm sure there's something you'll find there's funny too. Anyways, thanks to them for putting that up. That was really cool. We weren't expecting that. We all got pretty excited. And I was sitting down at the TV and I saw it. I wish I had the camera on. I started screaming, and all the kids thought the house was going to blow up or something. But anyways, it was really good. Loved it. So if I get a chance, in this next clip, I was thinking I want to use some of Moog's music. He's a talented guy. He really knows, music, and it's not really my style of music. I'm a rock guy. You probably saw my Rush shirt and all that stuff in other videos, but they're my band. But I'm heavily influenced around here with dance music and digital music, and Blake's 21, Madison's 18 and into dance. And, my wife's into gay dance music too, and that. She's into rock as well, but so I'm influenced by all this other stuff. So anyways, this Moog stuff, Blake got me into too, because we're driving places and all that stuff. And yeah, I kind of get it now, after listening to it and he builds the music around the videos they're doing for Mighty Car Mods. And I get what he's doing, because sometimes when you're trying to edit a video and put shots together, you're trying to get a sequence, and you need a short bit of music to kind of tie it all together. And I get it. So if it works out, maybe I'll throw his music in there too. Causing a traffic problem. I left the Lambo up front too long because everybody wants to see it. Which is fine, but it makes it hard to get out of my driveway. Back up. Go for the flyby. Try and give this thing tight turning radius, no power steering. It's a little challenging, but an intersection helps. Alright, see if we can get a big clearing. I do have some mail to open up. I'll do that. Alright, mail call. Got my Kniffy. Actually, I already opened up this one. This is from Jamie. The only thing, it's kind of cool. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, a little closer. There you go. Now you can kind of get the gist of it. So, that's the Ferruccio Lamborghini's lubrication chart. It's got all the liquid fluids that goes in the vehicle, and I think that goes in the engine bay somewhere, but I'm not sure where. So, hopefully you guys will let me know exactly where it goes, and hopefully it's not on fiberglass. I'm not sure how well this will stick with fiberglass, but anyways, it's kind of bumpy and rough and all that, but we can figure something out. Yeah, this Kniffy's not too sharp, but it'll do the trick. Or maybe it should. Huh, cool. I heard about these. Right on. This is from Mark, and he's from Arizona. Oh crap, this came quite a ways to Canada. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, wow. That's pretty cool. It's like a real Hot Wheels edition. We got some big tires on it. That's kind of cool though. Thanks Mark, that's really cool. Thanks for thinking of me. I got a Hot Wheels edition here. You guys can't see it. I got a big one and a little one of this. Actually, I'll show you. It's up on the wall. Oh, I forgot I got this too. Actually, I know there's got two Hot Wheels. Thanks to my buddy Gary. He got when we got the Hot Wheels edition Camaro. I believe it was his son that was able to find us Hot Wheels Camaro. Kind of cool, eh? So that goes with this Hot Wheels. This goes with that Hot Wheels. Like it. Actually, I had a show too. Another guy gave me this one. It's got Blake's crap all over it from sitting up there, but he's grinding on. But you know, another Hot Wheel. This one's not Hot Wheels. I don't know what this one is. It is Hot Wheels. Mattel. $2. Says right there. All right, little night driving. Put the pop-ups down. Blake's engine works pretty good for holding the phone. Good.
And I heard him squeaking his last couple squeaks. I knew I heard something.
He didn't make it. Can't really see him. He's in there, alright. You're gonna have fun getting him out of there.
Hope he's not alive still.
I don't think so. He ain't moving. Where'd you get him?
Literally on my way home. I was, wow.
Oh, wait, almost in my shirt. See that? Halifax bomber. Canadian bomber. They rebuilt one up here, and our business, you know, we decided we'd help out with that little front nose cone thing. We formed those over them and rebuilt them since you can't really get those anymore. Anyways, not sure why I put that in there. I just did. Kind of proud of it. It's kind of cool. My office got a framed thing where they, because we donated now. It's a cool picture. I really like it. And it was a cool bomber too. Got to coincide it and everything. It was really cool. Should have videoed that. That was like 10 years ago though. So. Right here was up, not a word of a lie, it was up to my knees. That's how tall the grass got. It was all wet. This heat in the last weekend, I was able to finally cut it. It's like cutting hay. Had to sweep it up, rake it. Not fun. It was 8 hours of seat time. Burnt the top of my knees. Well, we bought some new front tires. This time we decided to go a little wider. What was it, 245 width before, went out to 265. But yeah, go a little wider, we could use that. Anyways, rubbed on the inside, just caught the strut. I thought it was clear when I did my first measurements, but apparently I was off. Anyways, put a 5mm spacer in there. And we're good now. If I remember right, I'll do a before and after shot. Can't really tell. But they were tucked in a little more. Of course, I had to do the back too, just to make it the same everywhere. The farmer's been doing some plowing. Couldn't get past here though, because it's a little wet this year. Pool's open. It's first week of June we finally got it open. After I came back from Carlisle, it's been good crap weather. Anyways, I got in there, jumped in. It was chilly 68 degrees. That wakes you up. Yeah. And I finally got to mow the grass. It's just been like so wet, so much rain. That right down in there, you can see where all that brown is there. All that was about just over my knees. Couldn't cut any of it till last week, and we finally had 30-degree weather, and I could cut it. And then it was the same back here at the pond, all the way out here and around out here. That was all almost as tall as those, what do you call them? The things growing in the pond. I can't remember what the hell. Anyway, so it was about 2 or 3 passes there to get that done, and then sweep with the sweeper, and then cut again, and to get it all the same as this height over here. That was an event. I think I filled the mower up 3 times. First time I've ever done that.
Please don't be alive. Oh. No, he's dead. I think he's dead. He feels semi-dead, but he twitches. Nope. Fuck him. He's dead.
Somebody did some muffler work. That's it for this week. See ya.